ready? Just wanted to repeat what Casey Neistat taught me in one of his videos when he said, "When a moment feels great, you just wanted to stop and think and pause and say, I'm gonna remember this moment." Have you ever chased birds? Like big, huge flock of birds? Well, that's what I did today. It's a good day to go out for a run. Time to switch. Ready, 1, 2. Okay, just bring. Coconuts. My favorite. Kids, do not try this at home. That's my dorm. Somewhere around there, my room. And that's my campus. We should shoot some slow-mo. It's a really nice view. Now, before going on to what you're about to see, I first need you to understand that my initial plan of coming out here with that coconut is to finish my evening jog inside that paddy field like I did about a month ago, I think, and then drink the coconut after the jog. But then my plan got distracted by something big, something really big. You ready? This is some crazy dude running with birds. Godspeed, bro. Godspeed. You only live once. Live fully. Graduate happy and die happy. Cheers. Be open to changes and you will forever be amazed by what life can show you. Today's a good day. Today's a good day. Who knows what I'll be chasing next. Oh right, the subscribe button is just right there. Can you click it? Subscribe? Yeah. Thanks. Cheers. See you on the next video.